Hello, welcome back to the channel, and it's another Rover 75 video, but I'm not showing you me preparing or anything this time. Here's our little Rover. She's really nice. Just see and feel middle of the bonnet, so you'll have to mask that off. You wanted to put it on with a silver pen. Now, put a couple of screws in already. Base is on. Might find some smaller screws for that. So they're in all the way. They're 3/6s. So this is another kit that's going on eBay if you haven't guessed already. So I'll throw those extra nuts in and some M2s. There's a brush pen with the point, brand new. It's a brand new Sharpie marker, fine. So their definition of fine and mine's a bit different. There's some M316s, which is what I use to paint this. Just put those in, then you can hold it a lot more easily in your pliers, etc. Front axle, 4 wheels and an extra 4 tyres. Also, got a box. Oh, it's another project there. Got a box. One will be pre-bent. Actually, they both will be, because otherwise you need a bigger box to put everything in. That increases the postage. Now these are off my new printer, and the card's a lot tougher. If you just see that there, it's a lot tougher box. And you get the other one, because I'm doing the decals for the Rover 75 I did as well. There's a bonus, you get some police horse ones in this one as well. So that's going to be the offering. Some of these sanding sticks as well will be in there. Some paper, 2003-45. Not that you need it on this model. You will have to wash this with at least soapy water before you top coat it. So obviously I've handled it now, and you'll handle it before you paint it. So that's another Rover 75 coming up. Now I'll put the description. I'll try and hide it on eBay so no non-viewers can find it. And I think we did the last one as buy it now a £5. I think this one we'll do it as an auction starting at a £5. So there we go. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to getting your bids in.